welcome to my channel. So let's start practicing question paper of PGT. So I have brought UP PGT paper which contains 100 questions, and in today's video I will cover 50 questions and remaining I will make another video. Okay, so let's start. First question is asking, who said capital S is not evil? It is wrong use that is evil. Capital in some form or other will always be needed. So this famous statement is given by Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 2 is asking, according to Bottomer, which of the following factors is responsible for social change? Option A is Western science and technology, social planning, both above, none of the above. So correct answer should be both of the above. And while solving this question, I will say this question paper is forwarded by one of my friend. So if any copyright issue is emerged, so I will give credit of the paper whose copyright is showing on this paper. Okay, so moving on to the next question, which of the following is not element of community? Territory, we-feeling, cultural diversity, self-dependence. So here correct answer should be cultural diversity. Which among the following is not a primary kin? Mother, father, uncle, brother. So here correct answer should be uncle, because uncle is not primary kin. G.P. Murdoch differentiate kins in three types: primary kin, secondary kin, tertiary kin. And again he also distinguishes primary kins, also primary kin to secondary kin, like primary affinal kin and primary consanguineal kin, then primary secondary kin, then primary secondary affinal kin, and primary secondary consanguineal kin. So here the primary kin are father, brother and mother. So these are related to blood. So and they are first. So they are primary kin. And uncle is not primary kin, he is secondary kin, and uncle is also a classificatory term, like descriptive and classificatory term in Morgan's language. So uncle is denoted to classificatory term. Moving on to the next question, who produced the concept of white collar crime? C. Lombroso, E. H. Sutherland, James Short, H. M. Goddard. So here correct answer will be E. H. Sutherland. This is the question which belongs from Crime and Deviance, and several times it's come in papers. C. Lombroso gave the concept of give the statement that a criminal is born. Moving on to the next question, what kind of value loss occurs due to the bureaucracy? Modern values, social values, political values, traditional values. So here correct answer will be traditional values. Bureaucracy is depend and is works on rational legal authority. So bureaucracy, a traditional value is not followed by bureaucrat. And Max Weber gave a characteristic of bureaucracy. One of the so we are talking about the characteristic of bureaucracy. So one of the major characteristics of bureaucracy is hierarchy, written rules, impersonal relations, and there are authority, rational legal system. Moving on to the next question, which among the following is a dissociative social process? Modernization, cooperation, competition, assimilation. So here correct answer should be competition, because competition is not So dissociative, here correct answer is competition. It is dissociative process, and other three options like cooperation, assimilation is associative social process. Question 8 is asking, Jajmani system is exchange of land, money, documents, services and goods. Correct answer will be option D, services and goods. William H. Weiser did study on Jajmani system, and he found that the Jajmani system is based on caste system, and there are two, like one Jajman and other are pattern or Kamin, pattern pattern client relations, or Jajman and Kamin relations. So when one time Jajman also can be pattern and pattern also can be Jajman. For example, we can understand that Brahman is considered Jajman when the property or any other issue, but when Brahman gives service of like puja, then he becomes the servants or client. So question 9 is asking, who classified social groups into following four categories: statistical group, societal group, social group, associational groups. So here correct answer should be Robert Bierstein. I'm guessing of this question. If it is not correct, then I will let you know. Question 10 is asking, marriage is a hospital for soul. Who stated like this? Luther, Bierstein, Prabhu, Kule. So here correct answer should be Kule. Which among the following is the characteristic of conflict? Continuity is not the characteristic of conflict disorder. It is missing. Continuity, direct individual contact, destruction of social values, and stability. So here correct answer should be continuity, because conflict does not always continue. Which among the following is a tertiary kin? Uncle, wife of brother-in-law, brother's son, father. So here correct answer should be wife of brother-in-law. Wife will be our ego's primary kin, but wife's brother will be ego's secondary kin, and wife of brother-in-law, we can understand it like brother-in-law is the ego's secondary kin, because brother-in-law is the wife of brother, so he is secondary kin, and wife of brother-in-law will be tertiary kin to the egos. Question 13 is asking, according to census 2011, which is that state where population decreased? Arunachal, Nagaland, Himachal, Goa. So correct answer should be Nagaland. The concept of Sanskritization is closely related with primary group, tertiary group, negative group, reference group. So correct answer should be reference group. Who has emphasized on the study of social facts in sociology? Auguste Comte, Max Weber, Karl Marx, Emile Durkheim. So correct answer should be Emile Durkheim. Auguste Comte gives the concept of law of three stages: positive, theological, metaphysical, and positivism. Max Weber give the concept of closer status in the caste system, and he called this caste as status group. He also studies the why the capitalism emerged in Europe or Protestant. So he studied many religions, and he did comparative study, and after this study he find that there was something unique in Protestant, that is why capitalism emerged there, not in any other religion like Hindu, Chinese, or Judaism. So what he found, that there was a Calvinist thing which is in Protestant, that Protestant are this world, follow this worldly asceticism, which says that they want to earn money to glorify the society for sake of God, not for their pleasure. So while other religion like Hinduism follow otherworldly asceticism. Like in our, in Hindu religion, we are taught that whatever we do, we have faced consequences our deeds in next birth, not this birth. So people are trying to be uh, trying to not, people did not follow to try more earn, and they did follow like moksha and salvation, and they try to give up everything, like in the language of sannyasi. So question 16 is asking, what was the starting form of the family according to the Westermark? Matriarchal, patrilineal, patriarchal. So here correct answer should be matriarchal. Name the author of the book The Life Divine. Mahatma Gandhi, G.S. Ghure, Sri Arvind, R.K. Mukherjee. So here correct answer should be Sri Arvind. Arvind is also in the syllabus of UPPGT. Next question is asking, what does Herskovits call to man-made part of environment? Science, civilization, culture, technology. So correct answer will be culture. In India, the three-tier Panchayati Raj system was recommended by which? L.M. Singhvi Committee, G.K.V. Rao Committee, Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, Ashok Mehta Committee. So a correct answer should be Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Ashok Mehta Committee also did study of Panchayati Raj system, and he studied in Rajasthan what the consequence of the Panchayati Raj system. Or if I'm not wrong, Ashok Mehta Committee is also okay. If I found I have little doubt, so I will tell in the next video. Question 20 is asking, who among the following has propounded the principle of looking glass self? Mead, Freud, Cooley, Bloomer. Correct answer should be Cooley. Mead gave the theory of me and I and me, and Freud is also known for id, ego, and superego. Herbert Bloomer coined the symbolic interactionism. Who among the following has given the concept of westernization? Yugen Singh, T.K. Oman, M.N. Srinivas, Mackie Merritt. So correct answer should be M.N. Srinivas. He gave the concept of westernization, and he also says that in Indian context, modernization is equal to westernization. People consider westernized is the modernization, because modernization is immersed in western, so people follow western culture, western thing, and try to imitate, so they think they are following they are become modernized. So more westernization, sanskritization, brahminization, these concepts are given by M.N. Srinivas. Question 22 is asking, who introduced unbonded or multi-bonded groups in sociological literature? Let me read in Hindi. एक बंधक और बहुबंधक समूह का परिचय समाजशास्त्री साहित्य में किसने कराया? So here correct answer is given P.A. Sorokin. Also go with P.A. Sorokin. Question number 23 is asking, who has said we are the members of association, not the institution? So a correct answer should be McIver and Pease. According to Kaka Kalelkar Commission, what is the criterion to determine the backward classes? Individual, family, caste, occupation. Backward classes. So here it is related to from caste, Question number 25 is asking, let me also check. Yeah. Who among the following has formulated the law of three stages? As I earlier said, this concept is given by Auguste Comte, Herbert Spencer, a divided society in doubly compound, triply compound society, and also mechanical and industrial society. Saint-Simon was the Auguste Comte was influenced by Saint Thomas, and he also worked with Saint Simon. Question number 26 is asking, sociology has long past but only short history. Who gave this statement? This statement is given by Robert Bierstedt. Which of the following is not the agency of socialization? Family, school, peer group, media. So correct answer will be media. Family, school, peer group is also our primary group. Question number 28 is asking, who among the following is, we have to read in Hindi medium. निम्नलिखित में कौन विज्ञानों के वर्गीकरण के लिए विख्यात है? दुर्कीम, वेबर, स्पेंसर, अगस्ट कॉम्टे. सो हियर आंसर इज गिवन अगस्ट कॉम्टे. Question number 29 is asking, urbanization is a process and urban is a condition. Who said this? Burgle, Anderson, Ghure, Rao. This is said by Burgle. Who has given the racial theory of caste? G.S. Ghure, D.N. Majumdar, Herbert Risley, J.H. Hutton. So, racial theory of caste is given by Herbert Risley. When a low Hindu caste or tribe, other groups takes over the customs, ritual, beliefs, ideology and style of a high and in particular a twice born caste. This process is called modernization, universalization, westernization, sanskritization. This process is called sanskritization, and a sanskritization is given by M.N. Srinivas. Which of the following does not fall in the agency of formal social control? Law, prison, religion, state. So religion is not fall in the formal social control. When a man of lower varna marries the girl of a higher varna, then it is called pratilom vivah, and its opposite will be anulom vivah. Monogamy, in which one person can marry to one, we can take example like one person married to person marries to one girl, a boy marries to one girl. This is called monogamy. And if the wife died and person married again, then it will become serial monogamy, and it is given by Anthony Giddens. Polygamy is happened when if a girl has polygamy is two types, polyandry and polygyny. Polyandry means having more husband, polygyny means having more wife. So if a woman has more 2-3 husbands, then it will be polyandry, and a man has 2-3 wives, then it will be polygyny. Polyandry are also two types, adelphic polyandry and non-adelphic polyandry. Adelphic polyandry are those in which husbands are brothers, and non-adelphic polyandry are in which husbands are not brothers and wife have to live with husband one by one. So adelphic polyandry is found in Todas and Khasas community tribe. Question number 34 is asking, who among the following has given the concept of collective representation? Weber, Durkheim, Auguste Comte, Spencer. So here correct answer should be Durkheim. What did Durkheim means by collective representation? So Durkheim studied society in evolutionist perspective, like he studied primitive society in earlier form, like he found this the earlier society were in mechanical, so found mechanical solidarity, and people are collectively lived, and they thus collective representation found in the society, mechanical society, society. Question number 35 is asking, In India, disguised unemployment is found in industrial sector, agriculture sector, trade sector, service sector. So here correct answer should be agriculture sector. Disguised unemployment is that when there is a less opportunity, like if we can see in agricultural system that when there are needed of two people's labor, then four people are already working on the place of two people. Like in a family of five members, there are need only two people for working in the field, then also other three members also help, then it is called disguised unemployment. Question number 36 is asking who of the following has developed the twin concept of parochialization and universalization. So this concept is given by Mackie Marriott. Mackie Marriott gives this concept in Indian context, and he applied Robert Redfield's concept of little tradition and great tradition in India, and he gave the concept parochialization and universalization. Parochialization is done when it is when things comes down, and universalization is when things go up. If we can take the example of like Mahabharata. Mahabharata is the traditional mythology, and it is when it is showing on television in all over the country, then it will become universalization. Question number 37 is asking who has the first time studied the Jajmani system in India. So here correct answer, as I told in earlier question, William H. Weiser. In 1936 he studied Agra. Secularization means equal respect to all the religion, no faith in any religion, hatred towards each religion, none of these. So here correct answer should be equal respect to all the religion. And secularization is added in Indian Constitution by 42nd Amendment. Question number 39 is asking who used the word backward Hindu for scheduled tribes. B.S. Guha, G.S. Kure, Kaka Kalelkar, B.R. Ambedkar. So a correct answer should be G.S. Kure. G.S. Kure says that tribes are not any other. Tribes are backward Hindus, and where they should be assimilate to Hindus. While Barrier Alvin says that tribes are unique and they should not be assimilated. We have to make a national park for them. So there are a famous debate happened between G.S. Kure and Barrier Alvin. Although Jawaharlal Nehru gave the Panchal Siddhant to for the tribe to integrate tribes in Indian community or Hindus. Not Hindus, he want to integrate in our country. Who among the following is, so we have to read in, निम्नलिखित में कौन प्रघटना शास्त्र के प्रणेता माने जाते हैं? Lawrence Sparling, Albert Herschel, Peter Berger, T. Lakman. So here correct answer should be Albert Herschel. Later on, Alfred Schutz developed phenomenology, and he also called the father of, but initially founder of the phenomenology is Albert Herschel. Which one of the following is white collar crime? Pilferage, gambling, theft, bribery. So here correct answer should be bribery, because white collar crime is done by elite people. Who has defined by social change is meant only such alteration as occur in social organization, that is the structure and function of society. So correct answer should be Kingsley Davis. I have to rewatch because I was not sure. What is the main basis of distinguish between an adult criminal and a juvenile delinquent? Felony, misconduct, age, arrest warrant. So a correct answer should be age. Age determined who is adult criminal and who is juvenile delinquent. So many states follow age 8 to 16 for the juvenile delinquent and uh, age 8 to 18 for the girl juvenile delinquent. Question number 44 is asking, who among the following has propounded the organic theory of society? Spencer, Durkheim, Weber, Auguste Comte. So a correct answer should be Spencer. Gol Gadhero is related to which tribe? Bhil, Nayar, Toda, Kharia. So correct answer should be Bhil. I have seen this question is many times, like in every year of PGT exam. Most of the papers, this question is came. Gol Gadhero is related to which tribe? So we have to learn very carefully, and after revising papers 2-3 times we have to these things are learned. What name was proposed by J.S. Mill for the Comte's new science? Social physics, ecology, ethology, social philosophy. So here correct answer should be ethology. Question number 47 is asking, peasant society is a half society. Whose state is this? George Foster, Robert Redfield, M.N. Srinivas, Oscar Lewis. So here correct answer should be George Foster. When we see the family as an organized group of persons, then it is called association, institution, community, outgroup. So here correct answer should be association. Let me check what is given in this. Yes, correct. Question number 49 is asking, what is the percentage of reservation for other backward classes by government service in India? So here correct answer should be option number B, which is 27%. Who among the following sociologist has given the concept of structuration? So here correct answer should be Anthony Giddens. Levi-Strauss gives the theory of binary, and Talcott Parsons gave the theory of Agile model and Searle pattern variables. Ferdinand Saussure is called the father of linguistics. So let's finish this question. We have completed 50 questions. In next video I will complete other 50 questions. So thank you so much for watching.